Listen to me. If you really want to change your life, you've got to start by changing the way you talk to yourself. Yeah, that's right. Because the words coming out of your mouth are not just words. They're commands to your mind, to your body, to your future. Some of you have been losing battles not because you don't have what it takes, but because every single day you're talking yourself out of victory. You keep saying, I'm tired, I'm not smart enough, I'll never make it. You don't even realize you've built a cage with your own words. You're not trapped by your circumstances. You're trapped by your conversation. Let me tell you something. You can't speak defeat every day and expect victory to show up. You can't curse your reflection and expect your life to shine. You've got to understand that your mind is always listening. It's recording every word you say, and then it builds your life based on that recording. You tell yourself, I can't do this. And your mind says, okay, we won't. You say, I'm not enough. And your mind shuts down opportunities before they even reach you. But the moment you shift that talk, everything starts to change. For just 3 days, I dare you to talk to yourself like you're already the person you dream of being. Wake up in the morning, look in that mirror, and instead of picking apart what's wrong, speak what's right. Tell yourself, I'm strong enough. I'm disciplined enough. I'm built for this. You might not believe it at first. That's okay. You've been speaking negativity for so long. Your mind's not used to this new language. But say it anyway. Keep saying it until your words start to sound like truth again. You see, the tongue is powerful. It can build or destroy, heal or hurt, open doors or lock them. Some of you have been closing doors on your own destiny because you won't stop saying what you can't do. You've been calling yourself lazy, broken, unlucky, unworthy, and you wonder why your life feels like it's standing still. You're programming your own failure. The same way a computer runs on the code it's given, your life runs on the words you speak. If you change the code, you change the output. It's that simple. Here's what happens when you start talking differently. Your energy changes. You walk different. You think different. You act different. When you keep telling yourself you're capable, your brain starts searching for proof. When you say you're focused, you start noticing every distraction. When you tell yourself you can, your body starts aligning with that belief. Your mind is a powerful engine, but it needs the right fuel. And that fuel is your words. So for 3 days, stop poisoning your potential. Stop rehearsing your pain. Stop replaying your mistakes. For 3 days, I want you to speak like your future depends on it, because it does. Tell yourself you can win. Tell yourself you deserve peace, success, joy. Tell yourself you are not who you used to be. You're better. You're wiser. You're stronger. When you do that, you'll start to notice the world responding differently to you. Opportunities will show up that were always there, but your old words were blinding you from seeing them. It's not magic. It's mindset. It's not luck. It's language. You've got to rewire the narrative in your head until the sound of your own belief gets louder than the sound of your doubt. For years, you've been listening to a voice that told you you're not enough. For just 3 days, let the voice of truth speak louder. The voice that says, I was created for more. I'm not done. I still have time. I still have fight left in me. Because the truth is, you will never rise higher than the words you speak to yourself. The power isn't out there somewhere. It's right here in your mouth. The moment you open it to speak life instead of limitation, your whole world starts to shift. So for the next 3 days, I don't care what's happening around you. Speak like a winner, think like a champion, and talk to yourself like your life depends on it. Because it does. Every single thing you say to yourself is shaping the way you move, the way you think, the way you live. Your words are not just sounds. They're instructions to your brain. You don't realize it, but you are training yourself every day through what you say. You tell yourself you're tired. Your body believes it. You say you're not good enough. Your confidence listens. You call yourself lazy, and your actions match that story. The moment you open your mouth, you're either building yourself or breaking yourself. That's why I say your words build habits, and your habits build you. Some of you keep wondering why it's so hard to stay disciplined, why motivation fades, why progress slips away. But you've got to go back to the root, the language you're feeding your soul. You've been planting weeds with your own words. You say you want to change, but you keep speaking the same way you did when you were stuck. You can't talk like a victim and live like a victor. You can't declare failure and expect to experience freedom. What you speak is what you start to believe, and what you believe is what you begin to repeat day after day until it becomes your habit, your routine, your reality. See, when you speak doubt long enough, it becomes your rhythm. You wake up and already expect things to go wrong. You say, I hate mornings. And suddenly you've created a morning you hate. You say, I'm always broke, and your habits will make sure you stay broke. You say, I can't focus, and every distraction becomes twice as powerful. But when you start to shift your words, your habits begin to follow. You start saying, I'm focused, and your mind starts filtering out noise. You start saying, I'm disciplined, and your body starts rising earlier, moving faster, working harder. The language you speak to yourself programs your discipline like code. Change the words and you change the behavior. That's why I want you to watch your mouth for 3 days. For 3 days, don't let one negative word about yourself slip out. I don't care if you're frustrated, tired, or angry. You speak only power. You speak only purpose. Because the way you talk will shape the way you act. You say you're going to crush this day. You'll move like someone who crushes it. You say you're unstoppable. You'll start ignoring obstacles that used to defeat you. You say you're focused. You'll stop entertaining distractions that don't feed your growth. Every time you speak something powerful, you're building a habit of strength. You've got to understand your mouth is a construction site. Every word you say lays a brick, and the life you're living is the house you built. Some of you are standing inside walls of your own negative speech, wondering why you feel trapped. You built that house. But here's the good news. You can rebuild it. You can tear down every word of doubt and start building something solid, something powerful, something unshakable. You just have to choose your materials wisely. You can't build a palace with words meant for prisons. So for 3 days, speak with purpose. Every time you say, I can't, stop yourself and replace it with, I will. Every time you say, I'm tired, switch it with, I'm grateful I get another chance to grow. When your mind starts to slip into old habits, catch it, pull it back, speak life again. The more you do it, the more automatic it becomes. And that's how new habits are born. That's how transformation begins. Not in the gym, not at your job, not in your relationships, but in your words. Because the truth is, you don't rise to the level of your dreams. You fall to the level of your habits. And your habits, they're built by the words you speak every single day. You want to change your life, then start speaking like the person who already did. Every word is a seed. Plant what you want to harvest. Speak growth, speak strength, speak success. Because eventually what you keep saying will become what you keep doing. And what you keep doing will become who you are. Everybody wants to look confident in public. Everybody wants to sound strong when people are watching. But what are you saying when it's just you? No lights, no cameras, no crowd. That's the real test. Because the truth is, it's not what you say when others are around that builds you. It's what you whisper to yourself when nobody else is listening. That quiet voice, that private conversation you have in your head every single day, that's what decides whether you rise or fall. What you say in private will always determine what you live in public. See, people think success starts when others start clapping for you. But it doesn't. Success starts when you start clapping for yourself. It starts when you look in the mirror after you fail, after you mess up, after you get rejected, and you say, I'm still built for this. That's the difference between those who break and those who build. It's not about the audience. It's about that inner dialogue, the one nobody hears but you. Some of you keep losing battles because the voice inside your head is louder than your potential. You've been letting your inner critic run the show. You tell yourself you can't, and your actions follow that command. You tell yourself you'll never be enough, and your heart starts believing it. And what's crazy is you speak strength to others, but weakness to yourself. You motivate your friends. You encourage your family. But when it comes to you, you tear yourself down. You've got to flip that. You've got to start becoming your own supporter, your own voice of reason, your own coach. Because when the crowd leaves, when the lights go off, and it's just you and your reflection, that's when the real fight begins. I'm telling you, the private voice will either destroy you or develop you. You can't fake confidence forever. You can't keep posting motivation online, but speaking defeat behind closed doors. You can't preach growth and then in the quiet call yourself worthless. Life doesn't respond to the image you show the world. It responds to the truth you feed yourself in private. That's where it all begins. For the next 3 days, I want you to silence that inner enemy, the one that keeps reminding you of everything you did wrong, the one that keeps comparing you to everyone else, the one that keeps saying, you'll never make it. You've got to learn how to talk back to that voice. When it says, you're not ready, you answer, maybe not yet, but I'm preparing. When it says, you failed too much, you respond, I've learned too much to stop now. When it whispers, you're not enough, you shout, I'm more than enough. Every time you confront that inner voice, you take your power back. What you say in private sets the tone for how you show up in the world. If you speak fear when you're alone, fear will show up in your actions. If you speak courage when you're alone, courage will show up in your walk. You can't separate the two. Your inner world will always manifest in your outer world. So when nobody's watching, that's when you need to talk to yourself like a champion. Because if you can win that private conversation, you can handle any public situation. Don't wait for somebody else to remind you who you are. Don't wait for validation, applause, or permission. Learn how to hype yourself up. Learn how to lift yourself when nobody's there to lift you. Learn how to believe in your purpose even when everything around you looks impossible. The best kind of power is the kind that doesn't depend on anyone else's approval. So for the next 3 days, control your inner conversation. Speak strength when your body's tired. Speak peace when your mind's loud. Speak vision when everything feels blurry. Don't let that quiet voice become your prison. Train it to become your freedom. Because the voice you believe in private is the voice that builds your reality in public. If you can master that, nothing and no one can stop you. 3 days, that's all I'm asking for. Not a month, not a year. Just 3 days of speaking power into your life. 3 days of talking to yourself like you already are who you were created to be. Because sometimes we think transformation takes forever, but the truth is Change begins the moment you decide to change your conversation. You've been telling yourself the same story for too long, and that story has been holding you hostage. But give me 3 days 3 days where you stop speaking fear and start speaking faith, and you'll begin to see how quickly your entire mindset shifts. Most people underestimate how powerful their words really are. You can reprogram your whole life by changing your language. Think about it. Your words have been shaping you from day one. Every limitation you believe started as a sentence you accepted. Every fear you carry started as a thought you repeated. But the same way you built those chains with your words, you can break them with new ones. For 3 days, stop saying, I can't. Stop saying, I'm not enough. Stop saying, it's too late. You've been speaking death over your dreams without realizing it. Now it's time to speak life. When you start talking differently, your energy changes. When you tell yourself, I'm ready, opportunities that used to intimidate you suddenly feel possible. When you say, I'm focused, distractions that once consumed you lose their grip. When you start every morning reminding yourself, I'm capable, I'm chosen, I'm prepared, your body starts moving like it believes it. That's the power of intentional self-talk. You begin to walk in alignment with what you declare. And that's not just motivation. That's mental training. That's rewiring your brain to expect greatness instead of settling for average. Some of you have been stuck because you've been speaking in the language of your past while trying to step into your future. You say you want to grow, but you keep repeating the words that broke you. You keep describing your life based on what you've been through instead of what you're walking toward. You can't build a new chapter with the vocabulary of your old pain. So for 3 days, talk to yourself like your breakthrough is already here. Stop waiting for the world to confirm your worth. Stop waiting for results to validate your belief. Speak it now before you see it, and watch how fast things start to move. This is not about pretending life is perfect. It's about commanding your perspective to stay powerful. You might still feel the struggle. You might still face fear, but your words decide whether you sink in it or rise through it. Say, I'm learning instead of I'm failing. Say, I'm getting closer instead of I'm stuck. Say, I'm growing even when it hurts, because every word you speak creates momentum, and 3 days of the right momentum can shift everything. For 3 days, I want you to be relentless about it. Be intentional about every sentence you allow to come out of your mouth. Catch yourself when negativity tries to slip through. When your mind starts to wander toward doubt, pull it back with truth. Look yourself in the eye and speak to that version of you that's tired, scared, and uncertain. Remind them who they are. Tell them they were built for this, that there's more in them than they've shown, that the story isn't over yet. Because when you talk to yourself like that, something inside you wakes up, something strong, something steady, something unstoppable. And once it wakes up, you'll never want to go back. You'll never want to talk small again, think small again, live small again, because you'll have seen what's possible when you speak power into your days. 3 days is all it takes to start shifting years of limitation. 3 days to build a new rhythm of belief. 3 days to begin walking like the person you were always meant to become. So for the next 72 hours, speak with intention, live with conviction, and let your words carry the weight of who you're becoming. Because the way you talk to yourself today is building the life you'll live tomorrow.